Jamaican coconut cake. Well done. Okay, these are my ingredients. Here I have half cup of butter, 2 cups of coconut milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and a large grated coconut, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg right here, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1.5 cup of brown sugar, and 2 cups of flour. Welcome family, welcome to another episode. Today we're going to do Jamaica coconut cake, and I'm going to show you how just to do that. Okay, here I have my grated coconut, 1 large grated coconut right here. I'm going to add my flour, and I'm using 2 cups of flour. Add it in here. Okay, just combine it together just like that. Guys, this is very nice and very easy to do. If you follow what I'm doing, just follow the steps and you get a nice Jamaica coconut cake. Okay, look what is happening, guys. And then I'm gonna add my baking powder in here as well. Okay, I have my cinnamon and nutmeg. I'm gonna add it, and I'm using 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 2 teaspoons cinnamon. Okay, okay. And here I have half teaspoon of salt. Gonna mix them all together. Right, combine everything. This smells so nice already, and it don't even start to bake. Oh my god. Okay, so I mix my flour and my dry ingredient, I should say. I mix my dry ingredients here all together. Now I'm going to move on to the wet ingredient, which is my coconut and my melted butter. Also, I'm going to add my sugar in the mixture. Okay, let's rest that aside there. Let me rest it right here. Okay, so this is my coconut, and I have 2 cups of coconut here, as I said earlier, and here I have 1.5 cup of sugar. I'm gonna add it right here in my coconut. Alright, and I'm gonna mix this together so the sugar dissolves. Right, and mix it up, guys. You have to mix it really well so the sugar is dissolved in the coconut milk. Okay, okay, and here I have my melted butter, which is half cup. You could just pour it in just like that and mix. And here I have my 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Okay, you can taste it. Tastes real nice already, guys. Okay, let me rest this over here a little. Bring back my dry ingredients here, and I'm gonna add my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients and combine them together to get our Jamaican coconut cake, right? Alright, but before I do that, I have to ensure the sugar is, you know, absorbed in the liquid here, which is look pretty fine right now. We like it all mixed together. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little as I go. Okay, so you're gonna do like that and just mix together. So you add gradually as you go along. Okay, let me add some more. And guys, if you need any additional stuff, you could go ahead and add it if you want to spice it up with, like, you know, other stuff like your almond and such, but I'm not using this. I want the real Jamaican cake, right? Okay, so guys, I'm gonna add my little 1 teaspoon of ginger, and this gives a nice, very nice flavor, right? And remember, we're making the Jamaican coconut cake, the original Jamaican coconut cake. Right here and BLFTv, you're getting the Jamaican good stuff, right? So all your nice dishes you would like to try, you could come on over and BLFTv channel and see all the goodies we have here on this channel and try them. Okay, so this is the consistency you should have when you mix all your ingredients together, right? You want to have it just like not too runny. You notice the texture of it. Okay, so there you go. So I'm gonna go right ahead and grease my pan. My oven is already preheated at 350, so I'm gonna just grease my pan and place it in the oven. Here I have my pan. I went ahead and greased it with butter. Yes, so I'm gonna add a little flour in it because you don't want it to stick. Okay, so I'm gonna place my mixture here, right? Okay guys, look at this. Jamaican coconut cake with natural coconut, grated coconut along with coconut milk as well. Guys, don't forget to give this video a like, comment, share, and please become a part of the family if you're not yet by subscribing to our channel. Okay. Okay. Good to go. So now we're going to place it in the oven. Jamaican coconut cake. Well done.